Understanding Material Requirements Planning, MRP. An in-depth overview. Material Requirements Planning, MRP, is a pivotal software-driven instrument integrated into inventory and supply chain management systems, crafted specifically for businesses aiming for optimized production and inventory levels. It serves as a crucial backbone in the manufacturing landscape, providing methodologies to ensure that raw materials and components are available when needed without overstocking. Key aspects of Material Requirements Planning. What is MRP? MRP is fundamentally about ensuring that manufacturers can fulfill customer demand efficiently and with minimal waste. Through software solutions, MRP enables firms to foresee quantities of required raw materials, manage inventory proactively, and orchestrate production schedules. Why is MRP important? Production efficiency. By implementing MRP, companies can ensure that they are not only meeting current demand but also anticipating future needs, thereby aligning production schedules accordingly. Inventory management. It assists in maintaining optimal inventory levels, which minimizes carrying costs associated with surplus materials. Customer satisfaction. MRP reduces lead times, ensuring that customers receive products faster, which directly enhances their experience. How MRP works. MRP functions by calculating what is needed, in what quantities, and when materials must be available, working in reverse from the final production timeline. The process incorporates several vital pieces of information. 1. Item name or nomenclature. The end product is designated as Level 0 in the Bill of Materials, BOM. 2. Master Production Schedule. MPS details what is required and when it is needed based on demand forecasts. 3. Inventory Status File. ISF keeps track of available materials in stock and those on order with suppliers. 4. Bill of Materials. BOM. A detailed inventory of all raw materials, components, and assemblies required to manufacture the end product. 5. Planning Data. Established guidelines like routing, labor and machinery standards, and quality testing protocols. MRP's role in manufacturing. Manufacturers leverage MRP for strategic material purchase management, ensuring they can keep pace with fluctuating market demands. Here's a closer look at how MRP enhances manufacturing processes. Demand estimation and requirement breakdown. MRP dissects customer demand into the specific materials necessary for production, using the BOM to gauge exact needs. Allocation of inventory. It efficiently assigns materials to the necessary production areas. Production scheduling. MRP computes labor and time requirements to formulate a clear timeline for production. Process monitoring. MRP systems are designed to alert management on any unforeseen delays, often proposing alternative plans to meet deadlines. The evolution of MRP. MRP systems matured from their inception in the 1940s and 1950s when early computer technology energized inventory management. Initially limited in scope, MRP has since evolved into comprehensive systems, with manufacturing resources planning, MRP2, integrating various business functions like marketing and finance. The advancement didn't stop there. The introduction of Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, in the 1990s unified numerous business processes, opening avenues for enhanced efficiency and collaboration across departments. Advantages and disadvantages of MRP. Advantages. On-time material availability. Ensures timely availability of materials, directly impacting production schedules. Cost reduction. Minimizes inventory costs by ensuring that materials are only procured as necessary. Efficiency enhancements. Streamlines production processes and enhances labor productivity. Disadvantages. Data dependency. Relies heavily on the accuracy of input data. Discrepancies can skew results. High implementation costs. The initial investment and ongoing operational costs can be substantial. Limited flexibility. Adaptations to changing production needs can be challenging within a structured MRP framework. MRP versus ERP. While MRP focuses solely on resource planning within manufacturing, ERP takes a broader approach, integrating various business functions such as finance, human resources, and sales into a single cohesive system. The resulting advantages of ERP include improved efficiency, better integrated information, customizable reporting, and elevated customer service. Core inputs for MRP. The three foundational inputs for any MRP system include: 1. Master Production Schedule. MPS outlines the production requirements. 2. Inventory Status File. ISF represents available inventory and items ordered. 3. Bill of Materials. BOM lists all components needed for production. Business benefits and outputs of MRP. MRP not only helps ensure the availability of materials but also fosters improved manufacturing efficiency and heightened customer satisfaction. By outputting the necessary materials and timelines, MRP sets the stage for just-in-time (JIT) production methodologies, effectively enabling businesses to streamline their manufacturing processes while reducing excess stock. Conclusion. Material requirements planning stands as a seminal advancement in inventory and supply chain management. By efficiently orchestrating the logistics of material needs, MRP empowers manufacturers to respond dynamically to market conditions, enhance customer satisfaction, and maintain cost-effective operations. In a competitive landscape, MRP serves not only as a tool for immediate operational needs but also as a strategic asset that supports long-term business growth.